Here's the most expensive mistake I watch Naperville sellers make, and it happens before their home ever hits the market. They spend money, a lot of it. New paint, new floors, a kitchen refresh, fresh landscaping, and sometimes $30,000 or $40,000 worth of upgrades. And they do it all before anyone has told them what Naperville buyers in their price range actually care about. So they spend big in the wrong places, skip the cheap things that actually move the needle, and end up netting less than the seller down the street who spent a fraction of what they did. If you're getting ready to sell a home in Naperville, the next 6 minutes will save you thousands. I'm Sean Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group. I grew up here in Naperville. I sell homes, and I put together a free Naperville seller's guide that walks through exactly what to prep, what to skip, and how the local market actually rewards sellers. The link is in the description. Grab it before you spend a dollar on prep, because the order you do things in matters more than the budget you bring. Let's draw a clean line first, because this is where most sellers go wrong. Prep and renovation are not the same thing. Prep is everything that makes your home photograph well, show well, and feel move-in ready. Deep cleaning, decluttering, paint touch-ups, neutral repainting in the boldest rooms, landscaping cleanup, and decluttering closets. Fixing the squeaky door, replacing the stained outlet covers, having the carpets professionally cleaned. Prep is high impact and low cost. It almost always pays for itself many times over. Renovation is replacing systems, gutting kitchens, redoing bathrooms, refinishing hardwood floors, putting in new windows. Renovation can pay off, but only sometimes, only in certain price ranges, and only when it's matched to what buyers in that segment of Naperville actually expect. The wrong renovation in the wrong neighborhood is just an expensive donation to the next owner. The rule is simple. Almost every Naperville seller should do prep. Most Naperville sellers should not do renovation. And the only way to know which camp you're in is to know what buyers in your specific Naperville price range and neighborhood are walking into other homes and seeing. That brings us to the question I get more than any other from Naperville sellers, which is, what do buyers in my price range actually expect? Buyer expectations in Naperville shift by price tier, and this is where local knowledge matters a lot. In the entry tier for Naperville, buyers are often first-time homebuyers or younger families. They expect clean, move-in ready, freshly painted, and they want to see a kitchen and bathrooms that don't feel dated. But they don't expect luxury finishes. Spending money on quartz countertops in this tier rarely returns what it costs. Spending money on neutral paint, modern light fixtures, updated cabinet hardware, and professional cleaning almost always does. In the move-up tier, buyers expect more. They're walking into competing homes that have refreshed kitchens, updated primary bathrooms, and finished basements. If your home is dated in these areas, you have a choice. You either invest in targeted updates or you price to reflect that the next owner will. Both can work. What doesn't work is pricing like you've updated when you haven't. In the higher tiers of Naperville, expectations climb again. Buyers in this range expect the home to feel curated, not just clean. Staging matters more. Landscaping matters more. The story the home tells from the curb to the back patio matters more. The mistake is assuming what worked for the seller down the street will work for you, when your home might be in a totally different tier with completely different buyer expectations. So once you know what tier you're in, how do you actually prioritize a prep list when your time and your budget are both limited? Here's the order that works in Naperville almost every time. First, address anything a buyer would flag in their first 10 seconds inside. Smells, stains, visible damage, burned out bulbs, dirty windows. These are the things that make a buyer mentally check out before they've seen the rest of the home. And most of them cost almost nothing to fix. Second, deep clean and declutter aggressively. Not we'll tidy up before showings clean. Professional, top to bottom, including baseboards, vents, inside cabinets, and the garage. Decluttering means roughly 30 to 40% of what's currently visible and needs to be boxed and out of sight. Third, neutralize anything that screams personal taste. Bold paint colors, heavily themed rooms, oversized furniture. Buyers can't picture themselves living somewhere if the current owner's personality is shouting at them from every wall. Fourth, do targeted curb appeal, mulch, trimmed bushes, a power wash driveway, a clean front door, fresh house numbers. Curb appeal sets the price expectation before the buyer even walks in. Fifth, and only fifth, consider any cosmetic updates that specifically match to your price tier. New light fixtures, cabinet hardware, a paint refresh on tired cabinets. These are the targeted swings that can return real money. Notice what's not on this list. Full kitchen remodel, bathroom gut jobs, new flooring throughout. Those decisions almost never belong on a default prep list. They belong in a conversation with someone who knows the buyers in your specific Naperville segment. Now, once you've prepped smart and you know what you're putting on the market, the next question almost every Naperville seller asks is, after all the cost of selling, what do I actually walk away with? If you want a real answer to that, I've got a video on it called What Do Naperville Sellers Actually Walk Away With After Closing Costs? And it breaks down every line item that comes out of your sale price so you know your real net before you list. Watch that next. Before you spend $1 on prep, grab the free Naperville Seller's Guide in the description. It walks through what returns money in our market, what doesn't, and how to sequence your prep so you're not paying for things that won't move your sale price. The link is right below this video. I'll close with this. The single best thing any Naperville seller can do before spending money on prep is invite an agent who knows this market into the home for a pre-listing walkthrough. Not a listing appointment, not a hard sell, a walkthrough. The reason is simple. The right agent will look at your specific home in your specific neighborhood at your specific price point and tell you which prep items will return money and which ones will just drain your budget. The wrong order, even with the right intention, costs Naperville sellers thousands every single year. The walkthrough is free, the mistakes aren't. I'm Sean Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group. Grab the Naperville Seller's Guide in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.